Good morning, my name is Dr. Edward Crawford and I am the Director of Wetland Studies here at the VCU Walter and Inger Rice River Center for Environmental Life Sciences. I oversee wetlands research on this 500-acre property which is adjacent to the James River. In 1927, a gentleman by the name of King Fulton came out here and dammed up the mouth of Kimmages Creek, which flows right here into the James River. Dammed up the mouth and then cut down all of the forested species, all the tree species that were growing here. We removed the dam with the help of the American Rivers Project and the Nature Conservancy, re-tying or re-establishing tidal communication with Kimmages Creek and the James River. And that's going to provide a lot of ecosystem services, such as allowing new habitat for fish and for birds and for insects. This is the largest wetland and stream restoration effort in the state of Virginia as well as in the Mid-Atlantic region. One of my research projects here is to go out and geolocate each stump, and right now we're up to about 6,000 stumps that were growing in the wetland prior to 1927. So we go out and georeference each stump, then we cut a cross-section of the stump and we take that back to the lab. We grind it down so that we can read the tissue and then identify the plants that were growing out here. We're trying to recreate a virtual swamp. Now this research, it's hard work, it's hot, you're going to be covered in mud, you're going to be sinking up to your knees in muck, but it's very rewarding. Students love coming out here, putting on hip waders and chest waders and walking around in the marsh. They get to see amazing natural beauty. They get to witness all types of ecological interactions that are going on, whether it's predation, whether it's competition. And the data that you are collecting, whether it's with me or other researchers out here, is eventually going to be used to hopefully impact environmental policy in the future for Virginia and potentially for the Mid-Atlantic region. It's just a fantastic opportunity to basically get your feet wet and learning more than you ever could by sitting in a classroom about the importance of these ecosystems and how they impact you and how they are impacted by you. There's another cypress tree right there, absolutely beautiful, huge. And you can see if you look down on the ground right here, cypress needles, and these needles actually will fall off during this time of year, hence the name bald cypress. This species right here is one of the primary species that we're trying to reintroduce on the other side of the property in our big 70-acre wetland restoration.